stick out. The doctor asked me to stick out my tongue. The boy stuck his tongue out at me. Don't stick your arm out of the car window while driving. There is a sharp nail sticking out of the wall. Be careful. He sticks out because he's much taller than everyone else. His accent sticks out among the local people.
Pop out. A rabbit suddenly popped out of the bush. Where did you pop out from? I didn't see you coming. One of the buttons popped out of my shirt. My sister is pregnant with twins. Those babies will pop out any day now. His eyes popped out when he saw the price. Can you pop out to the store and get some milk? I'm just going to pop out for a coffee. I'll be back in 10 minutes.
Go for. I'm thinking of applying for that job. Go for it. Should I ask her out? Yes, go for it. I usually drink tea, but today I think I'll go for a coffee. The director deliberately went for a darker visual style in the sequel. She is training hard because she is going for the gold medal this year. The dog suddenly went for me.
Pick out. I need to pick out a tie that matches my suit. She spent hours picking out her wedding dress. She let her daughter pick out her own birthday cake. It was hard to pick out his face in the crowd. He quickly picked out the mistakes in the text. The witness was able to pick out the suspect from the lineup.
Cut out. Cut it out. You're annoying me. Hey, cut that out. Stop hitting your brother. She cut out pictures of celebrities from magazines. You should cut this paragraph out of your essay. The editor cut out all the swear words from the movie. They cut out the best part of my speech in the final video. I decided to cut him out of my life for good after he lied to me again. The doctor told me to cut out sugar and fast food to lower my cholesterol. My internet cut out right in the middle of the meeting.
Fall back. The troops were ordered to fall back to a safer position during the battle. When the enemy attacked, the soldiers had to fall back quickly. House prices fell back slightly after the economic crisis. Sometimes you need to fall back, focus on yourself, and let them wonder. We need a fallback server in case the main one crashes.
Lash out. Stop lashing out at everyone around you. Instead of discussing the issue calmly, he lashed out in anger. The manager lashed out at his employees during the meeting. The coach lashed out at the team after they lost the match. I know you're stressed, but there's no need to lash out at me. When she's tired, she tends to lash out at anyone who asks her a question.
Rule out. I don't rule out moving abroad in the future. We shouldn't rule out negotiating with them again. Scientists have ruled out several theories over the years. Don't rule out the idea just because it sounds unusual. The doctors still haven't ruled out the possibility of cancer. Since he had a solid alibi, the police ruled him out as a suspect.
Sneak out. They sneaked out to buy ice cream. As a teenager, did you ever sneak out at night? He sneaked out of the house at 1 a.m. and got caught by the police. The lecture was so boring that he sneaked out through the back door. Security guards sneaked the witness out of the courthouse after the trial. He was caught trying to sneak his girlfriend out of the dormitory.
Take on. Don't take on more work than you can handle. She decided to take on more responsibility at work. She took on the role of team leader after Jack left. The factory is planning to take on 50 new workers next month. The company decided to take him on as a marketing manager. The bus stopped to take on a few more passengers. Logically, which animal could take on a male tiger? Our team will take on the champions in the final match. I would love to take you on a date this Friday if you're free.
Push away. Don't push away people who genuinely care about you. After the trauma, he started pushing everyone away. Whenever I feel anxious, I try to push those negative thoughts away. Rigid rules will only push younger people away from religion. The security guard pushed the crowd away from the entrance. The child pushed away the plate because he didn't want to eat his vegetables.
Carry away. The strong current carried the boat away from the shore. He was a good person, but power carried him away. Don't get carried away just because you won one game. The audience was carried away by her emotional performance. She was so carried away with joy that she hugged everyone. I only meant to buy a few things, but I got carried away and spent all my money. The kids got carried away playing video games and forgot to do their homework.
Hunt down. The police hunted down the escaped prisoner. My cat is really good at hunting mice down in the garden. One day, I will hunt you down and make you pay for what you did. She spent the whole afternoon trying to hunt down her keys. Can you help me hunt down the email you sent? I can't find it anywhere. The police tracked down the thief's location, and then they hunted him down.
Tear up, tear up. She teared up when she saw her childhood photos. Seeing his daughter graduate made him tear up with pride. The wedding speech was so beautiful that everyone started to tear up. Don't tear up those papers. I still need them. They tore up the contract in front of everyone. She was so angry that she tore up the letter and threw it away.
Tear down. They decided to tear down the old factory and build apartments there. The protesters tore down the statues in the square. Someone tore down all the campaign posters overnight. Radical groups are trying to tear down Western values. We can modernize the country without tearing down our traditions. True friends lift you up. They don't try to tear you down.
Lay off. The factory will lay off 200 workers next month. Many tech companies laid off thousands of employees in 2025. She was laid off after working at the same firm for 12 years. The tech sector is facing massive layoffs this year. The doctor told him to lay off alcohol and fast food for a while. Lay off him. He already feels bad enough.
Lock up. The judge decided to lock him up for 10 years. He was locked up for life for committing murder. After the police found stolen money in his car, he got locked up. Don't forget to lock up the shop before you leave. My laptop completely locked up during the presentation. If your phone locks up again, try force restarting it.
Sleepover. I will sleep over at my friend's house tonight. He took his mom's consent before he slept over at his friend's house. Can I have a sleepover with my friends this weekend? The girls had a sleepover and stayed up all night watching movies. I always miss my own bed when I'm at a sleepover. It's too late. You can stay over if you want.
Keep up. Keep it up. Don't give up now. Keep up the good work. You've been doing great this semester. They are trying to keep up their traditional lifestyle. Are you trying to keep me up all night with these text messages? The baby crying kept us up last night. That scary movie kept the kids up for hours. You're walking too fast. I can't keep up with you. I can't keep up with all these new trends on social media.
Live up to. He lived up to his father's expectations. His performance failed to live up to the coach's standards. He failed to live up to his promise of lowering the prices. He really lives up to his name. He is incredibly brave. The restaurant completely lived up to its reputation. The food was amazing.